Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. Welcome to another video. Today I have an unboxing for you. Now I already know what this is because I ordered this yesterday when the product was announced, and apparently it showed up in just one day. So let's unbox this, and this will give you an idea if you can battery. So that might give you an idea of what's inside. So it's exciting. Pretty tightly packed. All right, I got the knife here. I need one of these specialized unboxing knives. That's what I need. All right, here we go. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Check it out. Oh yeah. All right, let's put this down. There it is. This is the new 2018 MacBook Pro with the new 6-core Coffee Lake CPU. In fact, this one here is the new i9 processor, not the i6, not the i5, not the i7, the i9, the latest one. And yeah, so it was basically yesterday, Apple announced it. So and today I got one, so it's great. And this is a max configuration. So basically, when I ordered this thing, I just like my the old MacBook here, I checked every single option box. This one, when I bought it, when it was new, it was almost $4,700. This new one, I'm almost ashamed, embarrassed to tell you how much this one costs, but go to Apple, check every single box, and then see what it comes to. But I'm calling this the 7K MacBook, and the 7K is not the resolution. All right, so the last time I unboxed this, you may recall, if you saw my last unboxing video of this MacBook Pro, I dropped it. Luckily, it survived. This time, I'm gonna be a lot careful. Much more careful. So let's open this thing up. Oh ho ho ho, here we go. And it's kind of anticlimactic because it looks exactly the same as this old one. All the new stuff is inside. The new processor, the new display with the true view on the display, and they also, the key, they said, is not as loud. So yeah, I guess yeah, let's open this up, and this time try not to drop it, John. Try not to drop it. Yeah, don't drop it this time. All right, so yeah, so it's basically exactly the same. It looks exactly the same as the old MacBook Pro. I mean, in terms of looks, absolutely no difference. Everything's on the inside. So I am gonna fire this thing up. Oh, it's already firing up already. So yeah, I'm gonna fire this thing up. And I'm going to then I'm gonna remove this MacBook, plug that one in, and do the setup. So this will be my new. Yeah, okay. I'll go set this up, but this is going to be my new machine. And I know some of you have been asking, now that I got a 7K MacBook Pro, what am I going to do with this 4.7K MacBook Pro? Well, perfect timing. It's for Sally. So, Sally will be starting a new school year after summer's over, and just so happened the school tells me she will need a computer. So, last year was an iPad. So this year, perfect timing. So it's this MacBook Pro is going to Sally, and then this new one is mine. So let's see here. Yeah, I can't tell, but it looks the same. But I guess once I start playing with it, I will be able to again, I did the speed difference. I said supposedly this new one is up to 3 times faster than this one, depending on the application. And I believe that'll probably be Final Cut Pro. The main reason I bought this is for Final Cut Pro, my video editing. I mean, that's the only thing that's intensive that I do, video editing, because I'm editing 4K video files. This should be able to speed it up much, much faster than this, which was already pretty fast to begin with, but this is going to be like blazing. So yeah, I'm going to set this up. And so I thought, since I just got it, I came home and it was sitting right outside. So I figured I'd just do a quick unboxing, show this to you guys. And so there you go. If you really wonder what a 7K notebook looks like, well, there it is. It looks the same as the old one. Everything's on the inside. All right. So that's it. Hope you enjoy. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Yeah. Gonna set it up and continue. So thank you very much for watching. JohnShepardJohnShow.com. I'll see you guys on the next episode.